All right, all right, all right. What's going on? What's happening? What's happening? Welcome to the Spy Lord channel. Hopefully everybody's doing okay. Had a decent day in the market. Had a few good levels on the live today. We had I think we shorted Tesla right out of the gate. If you're not familiar with what I do day trading mostly on the SPY, but I've been adding a few other things in here as of recently. If you don't have a place to trade, if you're new, you've never been here before, you're looking for help and guidance in day trading and investing and all that good fun stuff, consider hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe, and if you hit the description in the video, you're going to see a link in there for the Discord that I am a part of and one of the teachers in. It's called the Stocks with Josh Discord. So give that a click. Consider coming over, joining us as your trade journey begins, or maybe you've been trading a while, you just need some guidance, general help. We'd be glad to help you. It's the place to be. So I'm just going to dive right into it. I'm a little bit late putting this out today, but we've ran back. We've ran back up here to all-time highs, pretty much. Getting really close. We had a pullback today. Some I've noticed over on Webull, you can see after hours we've come on down to 598.40. It's a level I've already had marked. On the daily, you can see this is going back to the last low back here, last pivot low from this run up. You can see all the buyers are up here, all the volume. I'll say buyers and sellers, but all the good stuff is up here. Down here, best I can say is we don't want to lose this level. 575 would be the bottom. I'm kind of leaning on a pullback. We go to the oscillators. The RSI here shows us our strength. We are starting to point down. Looks like we're going to maybe come across this signal, maybe just interact with it. The MACD has not began to break away from each other, so the MACD will pull apart in when price action starts to move. We get moves like down here when this started. This blue line is the MACD. It starts pulling away from the signal line. You'll start seeing price come up or down, whichever way it's going. Right now it's been super flat. I was looking for a cross up today. We did not get it. We got a fake out. If you zoom way in, right there it is. That's a fake out. It interacted with the signal line but did not cross up. So right now we're going to pull back and consolidate, and hopefully, in my opinion, we don't lose this upper shelf. This upper shelf is what I'm looking at. First place of interest to me would be about right in here, which is 595. Okay. Next place of interest, 585. This is the POC from that whole run up. This one big bar right here with the hyphens on it. That's the point of control. This would be the bottom of this shelf. We don't want to lose that. We have this one green candle back here. If I'm not mistaken, Josh had mentioned 575 also. Could we get back there? Absolutely. Absolutely. we throw on let's get these indicators off. I'm not sure why I'd open that up. Okay, here we go. I'm going to change this 9 to the 50-day moving average. We are well above it. Well above the 50-day moving average on the daily. We could come back, interact with it. We can also, let's check the 20. Here we go. Okay, here's the 20-day moving average. You can see we respected it last time we pulled back right here. This makes a little more sense to me on the daily to come back towards 585. If we can't hold this 595, I could definitely see 10 more points back to 585. And then 575 would be pretty much the bottom of this whole chunk of volume up here that we ran up and got into. This is just really a continuation of the last time we were at all-time highs. Look at this. Now, if I could tell you, I just spotted something. Check this out. You see this green candle back here? Right there. That one. Let's go on back here. Look at that. Look at that green candle. That green candle right there. 574.70. Awfully doggone close, guys. I think that's reasonable. Right there. Somewhere in that 575 area. That's the bottom of this shelf of volume. Will we pull all the way back there? I don't know. I'm not saying we will. I'm saying it's in play. I would kind of anticipate us coming back to this 595 first, giving it a test. After a day or two, this 20-day moving average is going to be moving on up a little more. We're going to see if we're going to interact with it. That's kind of my view for the time being. Here's a 1 hour. You can see this a little easier on a smaller time frame, how this can definitely come back here towards 598.40 or so, I think is what I had. Towards the bottom of these two shelves, these top two shelves, gives us this 594, 595 area. I can see that easily. And we're going to see if it holds first. So that let's see what we got. I like doing this in real time, so you can kind of see what I'm looking at. I love doing the lives, but sometimes I'm just jumping everywhere for everybody. So these give you a little taste of what I'm looking at. So here is Monday's low, 598.80. So far, the overnight session's already broke that. It's sitting right at it, actually, 599. So Monday's low here at 599.80, 598.80. If we began breaking under it, I could be interested in some puts. down here towards 597. That's about 2-point move. If I could adjust this just ever so slightly. 594.25 right here. Then 591. That starts getting us. There's you some levels of support under us. You know, I like playing a level at a time. I like playing one level at a time. So if this starts breaking, this will be my first target at 597, then 594.30. I like to have a plan of each level that I'm looking at as we start breaking, because one of the first things on a swing for me is the 20-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame. That usually coincides with a MACD cross, and we got it today. So there's the 1 hour time frame MACD. It has made its way through the zero line. We are trending down a little on a 1 hour time frame. We're underneath the 20-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame. That's one of my criteria on a swing, is the 1 hour with the 20 EMA. Same way as when we come above it back here. See, when we come above it and hold, there's usually a swing out of it, 3-day swing right there. It's not 100%, but it's one of the first criteria I look at. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, pre-market, see what happens in the overnight session. I really wanted 600 to hold. I ain't saying it can't hold, but it's got to bounce here pretty quick. Hopefully at 598 area, 598.80. All right, cool. So again, there's the SPY for tomorrow. Resistance is going to remain the same. Resistance is up here, 604. 605. I misspoke. 605 basically. Going to be your resistance. And possibly, yeah. Right here. 603.20. There we go. There's two resistance levels above you. Here's a bunch of support levels under you. Take you a quick screenshot, and we will see what pre-market holds. If we make it all the way down here, this could be a bounce, 590 area. Okay, so don't let it fool you. It could come down here, bounce, and take off. This is a big chunk of volume here. All right, my friends. Again, if you're looking for help with your trading, with your day trading, with your investing, whatever, one-on-one coaching, I do that. Hit the description in the video. Then it's the top link. It's called the Stocks with Josh Discord. That link supports me. I work with Josh all the time. Live day trading 5 days a week, guys. Ain't nobody else doing that. All right. Thank you so much. Peace. I love you. We'll see you in the morning. All right. Thanks.